If you have excessive engine movement when you shift your car into drive, your Hyundai Sonata, or reverse, stay with us and we'll explain how to fix that. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you feel quite a bit of engine movement when you put your Hyundai Sonata into gear, reverse, drive or parking guys, stay with us, we'll explain what's normal. If not, what causes that engine movement and why you need to fix it before it causes quite a bit of problems that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix. So let's go ahead and explain what we're talking about. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's go ahead, open the hood on that Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to explain what can cause that engine movement now. So hood's going up, of course we need to support it because the struts, the shocks don't hold anymore, so we'll need to replace those as well while we're rebuilding these vehicles. So now let's explain guys, what can cause that engine movement when you're shifting your car into park, drive or reverse. So you can feel quite a bit of engine movement, right? You may even hear noises banging, while you're shifting. So number one thing, a little bit of engine movement, it's fine because you will be changing the direction of the force, because the transmission will shift into going forward or reverse. Your engine can go this way a little bit or that way, that's normal. But if it goes out of the norms more than probably about an inch, what can happen guys, you can start damaging things, and most likely there is something wrong with the devices that hold your engine in place. So at that point you may even start hearing clunking, banging noises from the engine bay. So let me explain first guys. You have on your Hyundai Sonata 3 engine mounts. One on top, this is the you can see the passenger side engine mount, one on the transmission side. Those two mostly keep the engine up and they eliminate the vibrations from the engine. Vibrations will be eliminated. And then you have a bottom one that usually guys is known as a torque strut mount, and it prevents the engine from moving back and forth. It's this one here that we have disconnected. So if that mount fails, check it out, your engine will move quite a bit. Because let's say that bushing is wore out or the mount is broken on the back, you will develop that engine movement. That engine movement guys is dangerous, and you wonder why. Because you will have wires, hoses, everything move. You can cause damage to the radiator hoses, brake hose, the exhaust. You have the flex pipe, right there. That flex pipe will be constantly moving. You can cause damage to it, so you need to replace it. In some cases, if it doesn't if you cannot remove it because it's so rusted out there, you may have to remove almost the whole exhaust system and replace it, catalytic converters, and it gets to the point that it can cost you thousands of dollars. So if you suspect that you have excessive engine movement, check the torque strut mount, replace that one guys if it's bad, and after that check the passenger side engine mount and the driver side engine mount as well. This is for the transmission side. So if this one went bad, it's very likely that you put a little bit more stress than you should have on the other mount, so they probably could be bad as well. You will need to just verify that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.